Hello, hello, hello. My name is Florin and I am from Michigan, USA. I would just like you guys to give you a review about the clinic of Dr. CAYMAZ with Worldview Institute in Turkey. I recently had the pleasure in visiting him. This is just a 1 week post-operative review. And I wanted to say that I was truly impressed, with the overall experience. From start to finish, the clinic and the staff was very professional, very courteous, very knowledgeable. The clinic itself was immaculate with like a warm and inviting atmosphere that immediately put me at ease. During my initial consultation, the team took the time to answer all of my questions, making sure that I fully understand the procedure and what to expect. On the day of the transplant, the doctor and his team went above and beyond to ensure that a comfortable and safety procedure. The procedure itself was very virtually painless. There's a little bit of pain, but like any procedure. But I was kept informed and comfortable through the entire process. The post-operative care was also outstanding, with the team providing me detailed instructions and support to ensure that my recovery was very smooth and comfortable. And about the results, I couldn't be more happier. It built my confidence. I got almost close to 4,000 grafts, and I'm just gonna wait and see how they come out. But I will definitely recommend Dr. CAYMAZ with the Worldview Institute if for any of your hair transplant needs or beard. He is definitely a go-to person. He is one of the most well-renowned doctors in Turkey for hair transplant, and I am sure that he will take care of you 100%. And guide you through the whole steps and process, because sometimes it feels like it's overwhelming, but him and his team makes it as easier as can be. In case you need any questions, you can contact Dr. CAYMAZ to give you my contact number or my email, in case you want me to explain you the steps or something. But Dr. CAYMAZ has everything on his website, very well explained, very easy to follow. Thank you again, Dr. CAYMAZ, and God bless.